Okay, so first, we're trying to transform this graph with this equation. So this part right here is going to be the stretch. This is going to be the left and right. In this case, it's going to be right because it's x minus 2, so it's going to move 2 to the right. And this is the up and down. So it's plus 3, so it's going to go up 3. So what you do is you start at a point on this first graph, so this point right here, and since the stretch is negative 1/3, you count, and this is at negative 3, so 1/3 of negative 3 is negative 1, and since it's negative, you're going to go to positive 1, and since we decided this is a right shift of 2, we're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So right where that point's at, we're going to count where that is. It's negative 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 3, 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever you found on this graph, put the transformation on this graph. And then you just pick another point. So let's do this point. It's at negative 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's at 0, so the stretch doesn't matter. But then we're going to go to the right 1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3. So that's at negative 2, 3. So we're going to go negative 1, 2, up 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then this point up at the top is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/3 of 6 is 2. It's negative, so we're going to put it down here at negative 2. Going to the right 2 and up 1, 2, 3. So it's at 0, 1. So we go to this graph and go 0, 1. Okay. And then all these points across the top are going to be the same all the way. It goes 1, 2, 3 across. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3 across. Okay, and then this point right here is at 0, 2, so the stretch doesn't matter. So we're going to go to the right 1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3. So that's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 1, 2, 3. So you count on this graph, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 1, 2, 3. And since this is the straightaway, we're going to go straight away that way. You always draw the arrow. And so then you just combine those. And you should probably do one more point to make sure that you match up with this line too. So we'll do this point at 0, so the stretch doesn't matter. You're going to the right 1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3. So then you count it 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4, up 3. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3. And just so you know how far it goes, you can pick a random point here. So it's up 3. 1/3 of that is 1. Go to negative 1. To the right 2. And up 1, 2, 3. So there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, 2. So negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 2. And you just keep going, draw that arrow. And that's what your graph should look like.